We don't always get to go outside of Vegas to work on projects, but this one has been a real pleasure working with Battleborn and KÜHL. Not only is it a cool truck, it's also unique and it's definitely overland. It is a rig that is meant to be overland. It is meant to go in extreme conditions and be in places where you're not supposed to go. When it comes to power, you need it to be ready. You push a button and it works. They take this thing to a lot of events and go open it up as a stage, you know, but they were also having to plug it into a generator or shore power halfway through the day to be able to continue running the show. With the system we're putting in there with the 2 GC3 batteries, it's gonna have twice the power that it had before with those 4 lead acids. Way more power per pound inside of the unit than we've ever had before. It's a beast. It's a beast. Sin City Overland was started out of necessity. Functionality is key, but it should also look good. You should be able to go in there and identify what's what. With these trucks, we go off-road, we beat them hard. We don't want a whole bunch of weight in the rig. We try to keep it as lightweight as possible. So going with lithium is just the only answer, really. With this new system, these guys are gonna be able to crank out the tunes and just jam on all day. Working with KÜHL and Battleborn batteries on this program has been a pleasure. And we'll definitely do it again if ever needed.